In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect boards in Monday.com step by step. If you're managing multiple projects, teams, or workflows, connecting boards is one of the most powerful features you can use to keep everything aligned and automatically synced. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to link two boards together, mirror data, and create a more organized system inside Monday.com. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board that will receive the connection. This is important. You always start from the board where you want the connected data to appear. For example, if you want to connect your projects board to your tasks board, open the projects board first if that's where you want to see the linked items. Once you're inside the correct board, look to the far right of your columns and click the plus button to add a new column. When the column menu opens, you'll see a list of different column types. Click on More Columns to open the full column center. In the search bar, type Connect Boards. When you see the Connect Boards column appear, click Add to Board. As soon as you add it, a setup window will pop up asking which board you want to connect to. Select the board you want to link. For example, if you're currently in your projects board, you might choose your tasks board. After selecting the board, click Next. You'll now see connection settings. Monday.com will ask whether you want to create a two-way connection or a one-way connection. A two-way connection means both boards can link and reflect each other's items. In most cases, the two-way connection is recommended because it keeps both boards fully synced. Confirm your selection and finalize the setup. Now, your Connect Boards column is ready to use. To link items, simply click inside a cell in that new column. A drop-down list will appear showing all the items from the connected board. You can select one or multiple items depending on your needs. Once selected, the items are officially linked. But here's where it gets even more powerful. If you want to display data from the connected board, you can add a mirror column. To do this, click the plus button again to add another column. Search for Mirror, then select it. Monday.com will ask which Connect Boards column you want to mirror from. Choose the one you just created. Next, select the specific column from the connected board that you want to display. For example, you can mirror a status column, a date column, a numbers column, or even a timeline. Once selected, that information will automatically appear and stay updated in real time. That means if someone updates the status in the tasks board, it instantly updates in the projects board as well. This is extremely useful for high-level reporting. Managers can monitor progress without opening multiple boards, and team members can work in their dedicated board without disrupting other workflows. If you ever need to adjust the connection, click the three-dot menu on the Connect Boards column header and open the column settings. From there, you can change which board is connected or adjust the connection preferences. One important thing to keep in mind is permissions. You need access to both boards in order to connect them. If you don't see the board you're trying to link, double-check that you have permission to view or edit it. And that's it. That's exactly how to connect boards in Monday.com. Once you start using connected boards and mirror columns together, you'll unlock a much more advanced and automated workflow inside your workspace. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Monday.com tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.